How will you explain this answer? That temperature become constant during the process of melting or boiling. What happens there? Anyone? Can anyone say? क्या exactly होता क्या है? जब जब हम किसी सब्सटेंस को हीट कर रहे हैं, मान लो ये हमारा बीकर है, इसमें क्या है? इसमें है सॉलिड, इसको हीट किया जा रहा है, दिस इज हीटेड, दिस इज केप्ट ऑन अ स्टैंड. So what will happen here? The particle are going to gain energy. After gaining energy, what they will do? They will start vibrating. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Vibrate करने लगे. And then they will move apart. At that, no, evaporation answer नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? टेम्परेचर जो होगा बढ़ते जाएगा. टेम्परेचर क्या हो रहा है? बढ़ रहा है. एक पॉइंट पे आके ये रुक गया. At certain point, it becomes constant. So now, where the heat is going? Where is the heat going? The heat is going to overcome the forces of attraction. अगर ये दोनों पार्टिकल के बीच में जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है, उस फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को ओवरकम करना, क्योंकि अगर ओवरकम नहीं करेंगे, इन दैट कंडीशन व्हाट गोइंग टू हैपन? दे विल कम क्लोजर. They will come closer. In that condition, they are going to come closer, and they will again get the state of what? Get the state of a solid. So, the temperature remains constant in order to overcome the forces of attraction, so that one form from one form it change into the another form. From one state it change into the other state. Okay everyone. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पर. चलो बताओ. आई एम गिविंग यू ऑप्शन. इट इज ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन. Which of the following set of substances are gaseous at room temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure? सबसे पहले रूम टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? What is room temperature?
Ma'am, 25 degrees Celsius.
25 degrees Celsius is the room temperature. So you have to tell me that which of them will be in gaseous form. Which of them will be in gaseous form? First is air, bromine and iodine. Air, bromine and iodine, will they be in a gaseous form?
Air.
Huh? Yes.
Air.
Air. No, this is one option. This is one option. A option is air, bromine और तीसरा क्या है? आयोडीन. क्या ये सही ऑप्शन है? ये पहला ऑप्शन है. दूसरा में कुछ और रहेगा. क्या इसमें सभी जो है वो गैसियस फॉर्म में होंगे? Will all of them will be in a gaseous form?
No, ma'am.
Air will be in gaseous form, okay? And bromine किस फॉर्म में रहता है बताओ? Bromine is a non-metal which is in क्लास 8 में आपने पढ़ा है ना? ब्रोमीन किस फॉर्म में ऑकर करता है बताइए? एक मेटल और एक नॉन मेटल विच ऑकर इन लिक्विड फॉर्म. क्वेश्चन था ना, मेटल नॉन मेटल का क्वेश्चन था ये. गिव द नेम ऑफ वन मेटल एंड वन नॉन मेटल विच एग्जिस्ट इन लिक्विड फॉर्म. सो मेटल में क्या हो जाएगा? चलो मेटल में क्या हो जाएगा? मेटल में क्या हो जाएगा?
Mercury, ma'am.
हाँ, in metal it will be mercury and in non-metal it will be
Bromine.
bromine. Correct. Okay. So bromine is in liquid form, and iodine you have read in class 8 only. That how do they exist? How do iodine exist? In which form it exists? In solid form, na? It exists in solid form. So this option is not correct. The second option is में दिया हुआ है क्लोरीन है Cl2 CO2 solid and one is hydrogen. क्या ये ऑप्शन सही है?
No, ma'am.
ये भी सही नहीं है. क्यों सही नहीं है? Why it is not correct? Why is it not correct? What is wrong here? What is wrong?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen is wrong. Is hydrogen wrong here? बोलो. यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन तो गैस में ही है. क्लोरीन गैस ही फॉर्म है. ये CO2 का क्या लिखा हुआ है? सॉलिड. And solid CO2 is called what?
Ice.
Dry ice. Solid CO2 is called dry ice. थर्ड ऑप्शन है Cl2, N2 and H2. क्या ये सही है?
Yes, ma'am.
ये सही है?
Yes, ma'am.
N2, H2. This one is correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Select from the following the correct statement about solid. The correct statement about solid you have to select. In solid, listen carefully. In solid, the molecular motion is random. In solid, the molecular motion is random.
No, ma'am.
Is it random?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
What, moving here and there? Can solid particles move here and there?
No, ma'am.
No, there is no space, so they cannot move randomly here and there. So this one is a wrong statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Intermolecular attraction is very strong in solid.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The correct statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Be correct. Next question. Which of the following is the most appropriate term used for the direct change of solid state into a gaseous state without going through the liquid state?
Sublimation.
One of the following is the
Sublimation.
question है evaporation for changing of direct change of solid into gaseous state. क्या बोलेंगे?
Sublimation. Sublimation.
Next है the term used for the process of direct change of gaseous state to solid state without going through the liquid state.
Deposition. Deposition, ma'am.
Position. Next है normal human body temperature is what? What is normal human body temperature?
97.8 degrees Celsius.
97.
37.
97 में तो फीवर हो जाएगा. नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर क्या है? नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर दैट इज 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Okay.
7 degrees.
You have to express in Kelvin. Express it in Kelvin.
273 Kelvin.
क्या 273? कितना है नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर? कितना है? 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस।
110
Kelvin.
कितना हो जाएगा ये?
110 Kelvin.
310 Kelvin. Correct. Which of the following is a set of substance which sublime? Okay, sublime जो होगा वो आपको बताना है. Ammonium chloride and sodium chloride.
Yes, ma'am.
ये ऑप्शन तो सुन लो. Naphthalene and dry ice. सबलाइन बोल रहा है. क्वेश्चन में क्या बताना है आपको? सबलाइन. विच सबलाइन? सबलाइन का मतलब क्या हुआ? सॉलिड से गैस के फॉर्म में होना. सॉलिड से गैस के फॉर्म में होना. तो सबलाइन कौन करेगा? अमोनियम क्लोराइड, सोडियम क्लोराइड, नैप्थलीन, ड्राई आइस, camphor, sodium chloride, dry ice and bromine. So many options are there. Tell me what will be the correct answer. कौन होगा? सबलाइन कौन कौन करेगा? क्या क्या ऑप्शन दिया है? बोर्ड पर लिख दे. फर्स्ट वन इज अमोनियम क्लोराइड और साथ में इसके क्या है? सोडियम क्लोराइड. फॉर्मूला ही लिख देते हैं, MaCl. सेकेंड इज naphthalene and dry ice. थर्ड है camphor and NaCl. Fourth is dry ice and bromine. बोलो कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा? All of you, please give me the answer.
Second option.
Which one? Which one is the correct option?
Ma'am, second.
Huh?
Second.
It's the question, ma'am.
Question is which of the following substance will sublime? Which of the following? Naphthalene and dry ice is the correct answer. Correct.
Option number B, ma'am.
3. It will
B,
be.
ma'am. B.
It will be the
Two
second.
number.
Second option, that is naphthalene and dry.
And dry ice.
Naphthalene and dry ice is the correct answer. Next question. When heat is supplied to a solid below its melting point, when heat is supplied to a solid below its melting point, then what is going to happen? Kinetic energy of a particle increases. Potential energy of its particle increases. Both kinetic energy and potential energy of its particle increases. Particles of the solid leave their fixed position and start move freely. फिर से रिपीट करें, सुनो, बोलना यस और नो, होगा या नहीं होगा. क्वेश्चन क्या है? When heat is supplied below its melting point, when heat is supplied below melting point, then क्या होगा? Kinetic energy of its particle increases. Potential energy of its particle increases. Or both kinetic energy and potential energy of a particle increases. Yeah, particles of solid leave their fixed position and start moving more freely.
Ma'am, the kinetic energy of the particles increases.
Correct. Kinetic energy of the particle increases. That will be the correct option. Next. Dry ice when heated in a vessel dry ice when heated in a vessel, what will it produce? Can you give the answer without option? When dry ice is heated, what is it going to give?
Ma'am, it's converted directly into gaseous state.
It's converted directly into gaseous form of what? Carbon dioxide. Next, which one of the following is a correct statement about fluid? Only liquids are fluid. Only liquids are fluid. Correct है ये कि incorrect है?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Liquids and gases both are fluid. Liquid and gases both are fluid.
Yes, ma'am.
Only gases are fluid.
No, ma'am.
Neither liquid nor gases are fluid. Neither
No,
liquid
ma'am.
nor gases are fluid. तो कौन सा आंसर करेक्ट होगा? अगेन बोल रहे हैं. Only liquids are fluid. Liquid and
Ma'am, liquid and gases both are fluid.
liquid and gases both are fluid. Because see, if you are able to solve objective question, that means you have understood the chapter. Next question. Which of the following diffuses the fastest? Which of the following diffuses the fastest? ऑप्शन में दिया हुआ है. So the following diffuse fastest. You have already written the answer, but here option is given. Okay, that is okay. That is about case with solid, liquid, and gases. But if it is given, which of the following diffuses fastest? Ice, water, ethyl alcohol, kerosene, or steam? Ice, water, ethyl alcohol, kerosene या steam. सबसे ज्यादा डिफ्यूजन कहाँ होगा? कहाँ होगा सबसे ज्यादा डिफ्यूजन? केरोसिन में डिफ्यूजन होगा. डिफ्यूजन कहाँ पॉसिबल है? Where is diffusion possible? Where is diffusion possible? Where there is kinetic energy. And which of the following is having the highest kinetic energy? आइस में, वाटर में, स्टीम. इसमें सबसे ज्यादा काइनेटिक एनर्जी किसमें है? स्टीम में. उसके पार्टिकल्स बहुत हाईली वाइब्रेशन शो करते हैं. ओके, तो इसलिए सबसे ज्यादा डिफ्यूजन भी कहाँ होगा? स्टीम में होगा. नेक्स्ट है, why do sugar crystal dissolve faster in hot water than in cold water? Why do sugar crystal dissolve faster in hot water than in cold water? बोलो.
मैम, काइनेटिक एनर्जी हॉट वाटर के पास ज्यादा होगा.
हॉट वाटर के पास काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज्यादा होगा, and that's why it will strike the particles of the sugar and they will get mixed up. Okay. Next. State one difference between gas and a vapor. What do you mean by a gas and a vapor? What is a gas and what is a vapor? Anyone? When liquid changes into vapor below boiling point. Okay? And liquid changes into gas at its boiling point. This is the basic difference. When it is changing at a boiling point, it is called gas. When it is changing below boiling point, it is called vapor. Next question.